The last dance of my program from the February 3rd workshop, Phoenix, Arizona, 1996 February, called Paeelanjo, the dance of the tightrope walker, the tightrope dance walker. Recall, little finger hole, right and left over. You walk and you right, hands down, up. Wiggle, lift, wiggle, kick. That's your left doing the action. Kick your right, arms go down. Kick your left, hands continue up, step on your left, hop on your left, bend your right. Wiggle your right and kick that one. One scissors, one lift with the hands coming only 1/4 up, then you touch as you move, turn to the left slightly, you touch again, and hands and feet go up and the arms start down this time before your right steps. Then we walk. Swing forward, swing back, swing forward with a hop, wiggle left and hop, wiggle left and kick it. 2 scissors, but your arms do only 2 motions, 1 down and up, hop, wiggle your right and kick it, kick once, lift twice, straight, 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 and you go. You walk and you walk and you walk and you hop. Wiggle, hop on your right as your left bends, wiggle your left and kick it. Each time you do a movement action with your left foot, your right hops. Then 1 and 2 and 3 and hop. Anytime you do that hop, make sure your other foot's bent. Wiggle your right and kick that one. 1 kick, 1 bend, then straighten the bent leg to 1, 2, and we go without stopping. You walk and you walk and you walk and you lift. You wiggle and you lift and you wiggle and you kick. You kick and you kick and you lift and stuff. Wiggle and you kick and you bend and you straight, then you straight, then you go again. 1, 2, total 24. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and you start again. 20 counts. Music. Paeelanjo, thank you very much, and thank you again for the weekend. See you soon.